Hello all, hope you are doing better today. Today I am going to talk about the wire sculpture for gypsum handling, gypsum model making, or you can use cement also. There is no much difference between cement and gypsum, both we are going to mix water. In the cement we have some ratio to mix it. For example, 1 part of cement, 3 part of sand and the water as required. In the gypsum, you take a amount of water, then you put gypsum on it. That's a different. Remember, cement, we take cement, we put water. In the gypsum, we take water and put the cement. Put the gypsum. And let us talk about how to build the wire structure for your sculpture. First of all, you need your sketch, your idea. I hope you have seen the previous videos and how to do sketches. We already explained you. If not, if you don't know how to do sketches, you can comment on it. I can answer to your questions. After making your sketches with the 3 views, you are planning your sculpture 3-dimensional. So you need to know how you are going to construct. So the 3 views of the idea, you need to make it. And then second, there are many ways of building a structure. We are not an engineer. We are an artist, so we have a lot of freedom for us. We don't think about other structural things. We are making mini sculpture which we are going to keep interior, indoor, inside the house, inside the building. When it goes outside the building, we need engineering support where the engineer can see the wind effect, the speed of the air, the strength of the material, depends upon the material we use on it. So forget it. For what we are doing mini sculpture which we are going to keep it inside the house, home, building, offices, like that. Okay. So as I told you, you need to have sketches. You need to have some materials. I'm just saying some materials. You need to have some thick wire. You need to have some thin wire. The thin wire is known as a binding wire. This is little thick, 2 mm, 3 mm, 3 milligram thickness, and this is binding wire. So the 2 wire is ready, and then you need to use the nose pliers, wire cutter. You may require sometime mesh like this plastic. This is fiber plastic mesh. Similarly, the mesh is available in the building material shop. It's called wire mesh plastic, wire mesh metal. There are different meshes available. We are not going to use this much. And then we may use some cotton cloth, some kind of cotton cloth. You cut and keep it ready. And then we need gypsum powder, and then we need water. Then mixing bowls, like any plastic cups, you can keep it ready. These are the materials for building up things we require. As long as I am using, I will keep explaining about other things. Now currently we are going to do the basic formation in the sketch. I have one sketch with me. You can have a look on the sketch. Okay, this is my sketch. In the sketch, I have to build my model. When I want to build my model, what I need is I need to have my wire, thick wire. See here, this is single wire. I hold here single wire. But now in this wire, I mixed 2 wire. I twisted 2 wires. You see, twisted. I twisted. How to twist the wire, I am going to tell you. See, this is the wire. Holding one hand the thing, like that you can twist it. Or if you feel it is very tight for you, now I am going to show you how to make twist. See, I am holding this. I am holding the wire, bend the wire. You see me, bend the wire. After bend the wire, take it outside one edge. See, like this. You see, like this. And then if you are not having strength, you can use your cutting plier to hold these 2 wire equally. Okay, I hold the wire. You see the wire, I hold it. After I just hold the wire, then what I do, I just twist it. See, I am just twisting, turning this. When I keep turning, that wire will come like this. You see, twisted wire. So this way you can join the wires. So already I did, because The bottom we need strength. Now this is very strong. Okay, the wire is very thin, it's not going to help us. This is very thin. So we need to make bottom of the area, we need to make little thick one. So what I am doing, I make a double wire, I make this formation. I want to do this formation. I bend this. I keep bending this. Or every time when the bend, if you don't know how to bend the strength, you don't have, just hold the wire, hold the nozzle, just twist it. So it will be easy for you if you don't have enough strength to bend the wire. See, I twisted, then I can lift it. You understand this? Now this is one base thing. Now second thing is, you can build wire like this. You see, like a ladder. Why I am saying this ladder? You have to make a wire, thick wire, like a C, or you can make like this U. What is the use of this wire? When we connect this wire with another wire, we need to give a strength to two wires. See, this is a space ladder. Before we mix two wire together. Now I am mixing fixing two wire with a gap. So that helps me. Even you can make like this ready, and even this you can bend it. You see? See, I am bending this. So one formation. Now this wire, what you make thick, you can join with this, so that your model will have more strong. In the center piece where you want to strength, you need to add. Now like this, you need to make another one. Then connecting. How to connect? You will be using the wire. Use this. Use the binding wire to connect it. Just roll it on top of it. You will get connecting this. So this is the way of working. There are a lot of videos about how to bend wire. You just say how to bend the binding wire, how to fix it. Techniques of the wire fixing. You type in the YouTube, there are so many channels available. I don't want to repeat, and for you, there is available already. A lot of videos are available. I am doing videos which is not available. So there are many is available. All the artists have put up their own understandings about the fine art. You need to see all the art videos, and you have to come conclusion. What is art? What is texture? What is sculpture? What is composition is called? See here, I made one another. See, this is keep moving. So we need to use tight. When this is having sharp edges, you need to use cutter and then press it little, then it get bent. All the sharp edges will go. You see here. Everywhere you just crush it, so it will not move. Now see, my ladder is ready. One side shape is ready. I can do, as I told you, the thick wire can be added, or you can middle. If you want to add in the middle of this ladder, you want to add here third coil to give more strength, you can add. So this is how we are going to build the wire. Now you keep a sketch ready, what size you are going to do, then wire bend 4 or 5 times, join the wire, make like a cuboid. Do you remember how they do the pillars in the building? They make a wire rod, they make a square things, then they make a wood piece support, and then they put the cement inside, concrete. This is similar construction. So if this is ready, how to apply the gypsum, I am going to explain you. Now the next portion, once your structure is ready, you are going to apply gypsum.